Okay, good morning students. Next question number 17. Three capacitors, 2 nanofarad, 4 nanofarad and 6 nanofarad are connected such that the first two are in series and the third is in parallel to them. Find the effective capacitance of the entire combination. Okay, they given three capacitors, C1 value 2 nanofarad, C2 value 4 nanofarad, C3 value 6 nanofarad. They are saying 2 nanofarad and 4 nanofarad are in series. This combination is once again in parallel with the 6 nanofarad. According to this question, we have to draw the diagram. Question के हिसाब से diagram draw करना, and that's now. C1 2 nanofarad, C2 4 nanofarad. These two capacitors are in series. This series combination is once again parallel with 6 nanofarad. Together we have to find out effective capacitance. Given that 2 nanofarad, 4 nanofarad are in series and 6 nanofarad is in parallel with the series combination of 2 nanofarad and 4 nanofarad. What we have to determine here? What we have to determine? By seeing question, what we have to determine? We have to determine effective capacitance between this entire combination. We have to determine the effective capacitance of entire combination of three capacitors. ये अरेंजमेंट में क्वेश्चन के हिसाब से जो दिए, according to that you have to sketch the diagram. After drawing the diagram, we came to know that first two capacitors are in series. This series combination is in parallel with 6 nanofarad. And we want to find out the effective capacitance of entire combination. Diagram they will not give, we have to draw. Once again listen carefully, diagram they will not give, we have to draw. Why should we draw the diagram? Without drawing the diagram, problem solution becomes very difficult. You can't understand, that's why we have to draw the diagram for solution purpose. Okay, these 2 nanofarad, 4 nanofarad are in series. This series combination is once again parallel with 6 nanofarad. Our aim is to find out effective capacitance of entire combination. सब मिलके resultant capacitance कितना रहता है वो हमारे को find out करना है. Let us draw the diagram according to this question. 2 nanofarad, 4 nanofarad are in series. This series combination is in parallel with 6 nanofarad. This means 2 nanofarad, 4 nanofarad are in series. What is effective capacitance? Let us see. What is effective capacitance? 2 nanofarad and 4 nanofarad are in series. What is effective capacitance? C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2. Are you aware of this formula? 1 by Cs is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. Therefore, Cs is equal to C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2. Substitute the value. 2 into 4 divided by 2 plus 4. Is it 8 divided by 6? 2 4s are 2 3. 4 by 3. 4 by 3 nanofarad. This 4 by 3 nanofarad is in parallel with 6 nanofarad. That's what we equivalent symbol. What is this indicates? Equivalent. ये दोनों के सीरीज में एक ही कैपेसिटर है 4 by 3 nanofarad. What is 4 by 3 nanofarad? Effective capacitance of 2 nanofarad and 4 nanofarad when they are in series. What is this 4 by 3 nanofarad? 4 by 3 nanofarad is the effective capacitance of two capacitors, 2 nanofarad and 4 nanofarad in series combination. This 4 by 3 nanofarad is in parallel with 6 nanofarad. Okay, see that diagram? From figure 2, 4 by 3 nanofarad is in parallel with 6 nanofarad. Therefore, effective capacitance is वहां पे बोलना, we have to say effective capacitance of the entire combination is effective capacitance of the entire combination is C is equal to how much? This 4 by 3 and 6 they are in parallel. This word is very very important. Who is in parallel? 4 by 3 and 6 nanofarad they are in parallel. This 4 by 3 nanofarad is in parallel with 6 nanofarad. You know one formula, Cp is equal to C1 plus C2. What is C1 here? C1 कितना है? 4 by 3 है. C2 कितना है? 6 है. What is Cp? Cp is here C. Therefore, effective capacitance of the entire combination is C is equal to 4 by 3 plus 6. When you take an LCM, 4, 6 into 3, 18. Finally, we have 22 by 3 nanofarad. Therefore, effective capacitance of the entire combination is, how much is the value of 22 by 3? 22 by 3 is 7.33 nanofarad is the capacitance of entire combination. How much is the capacitance of entire combination? 7.33 nanofarad is the capacitance of entire combination. पूरा combination का क्या है? Find the effective capacitance of the entire combination. A entire combination का capacitance क्या है? 7.33 nanofarad. First, these two are in series. This combination is in parallel with the 6 nanofarad. These series 4 by 3. 4 by 3, 6 parallel. That's why what is the basic formula? Cp is equal to C1 plus C2. C1 is 4 by 3, C2 is 6, Cp is C. Therefore, C is the effective capacitance of the entire combination. What is C? C is the effective capacitance of the entire combination. 4 by 3 plus 6, 4 plus 18 by 3, 22 by 3. What is the value of 22 by 3? 7.33 nanofarad is the answer. Okay, see there. Pause. Next question, question number 18. How many different combinations are possible from 3 capacitors of 1 microfarad each? Calculate the capacitance in each case. Read once again that question. How many different combinations are possible from 3 capacitors of 1 microfarad each? Calculate the capacitance in each case. यहाँ पे बहुत सिंपल है. एक टेक्नीशियन है, वो टेक्नीशियन के पास 3 कैपेसिटर्स है, उनके पास एक एक कैपेसिटर का वैल्यू कितना है? 1 माइक्रोफैरड ईच है. तो टेक्नीशियन जो है 4 डिफरेंट कॉम्बिनेशन में कनेक्ट करके उनको अलग अलग इफेक्टिव कैपेसिटर्स उनको मिलते हैं. ये क्वेश्चन. One technician is there, he has 3 capacitors, each capacitor value is 1 microfarad. Then how many ways he can connect them? Here there are 4 possible ways he can connect them. When we are connecting 4 possible ways means definitely we will get how many possible capacitances, effective capacitances? 4. How many possible effective capacitance of combination we will get? 4. Which are those? We will discuss. क्वेश्चन को समझने की कोशिश करो. एक टेक्नीशियन है, उनके पास 3 कैपेसिटर से एक एक कैपेसिटर के वैल्यू कितना है? 1 माइक्रोफैरड है. एक कैपेसिटर का वैल्यू 1 माइक्रोफैरड है. इस तरह उन्होंने कितने वेज में कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं? यहाँ पे 4 वेज में उन्होंने कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. कौन कौन से वेज है हम देखेंगे. 4 वेज में कनेक्ट करें तो 4 कॉम्बिनेशन हो गए. जब 4 कॉम्बिनेशन हो गए तो इफेक्टिव कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ईच कॉम्बिनेशन 1 1 ऐसे 4 इफेक्टिव कैपेसिटेंस वैल्यू मिलते हैं. हाउ मेनी इफेक्टिव कैपेसिटेंस ही विल गेट? 4 इफेक्टिव कैपेसिटेंस वैल्यूज ही विल गेट. विच आर दोस कॉम्बिनेशंस? कौन कौन से कॉम्बिनेशंस हो सकते हैं? फर्स्ट, तीनों कैपेसिटर सीरीज में करना. एक फर्स्ट वे हुआ. सेकंड वे, ऑल 3 कैपेसिटर्स मस्ट बी कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल. थर्ड वे, व्हाट इज थर्ड वे? 2 कैपेसिटर्स आर इन पैरेलल एंड थर्ड वन इज इन सीरीज विद देम. फोर्थ क्या है? रिवर्स. 2 पैरेलल में दो, 1 सीरीज में दो. इन दिस वे देयर आर 4 वेज ऑफ पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशन. Once again I will repeat. First way, all the capacitors are in series. Second way, all the capacitors are in parallel. Third way, 2 capacitors are in parallel with series, third one. And fourth way, 2 are in parallel with third one in series. In this way there are how many ways? 4 possible ways. Let us see, very important question. 4 different combinations are possible from 3 capacitors, each of capacitance 1 microfarad. Remember yourself, all are identical capacitors. क्वेश्चन बहुत सिंपल है. ऑल आर आइडेंटिकल कैपेसिटर्स. एक एक कैपेसिटर का वैल्यू कितना है? 1 माइक्रोफैरड. ऑल आर आइडेंटिकल. ऑल आर आइडेंटिकल बोले तो CS का फार्मूला क्या है? C/N. CP का फार्मूला क्या है? NC. आप थ्योरी में डेरिवेशन हम डिस्कस करें CS और CP. वहां पे CET पॉइंट्स बोल के मैं लास्ट में दिया नोट पॉइंट्स. CET पॉइंट्स आफ्टर सीरीज डेरिवेशन, आफ्टर पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ कैपेसिटर्स, आई गिवन नोट पॉइंट्स. Whenever n number of identical capacitors are connected in series, what is effective capacitance? CS is equal to C/N. When n number of capacitors are connected in parallel, what is effective capacitance? Cp is equal to NC, where n is number of capacitors, C is the capacitance of each value. These 2 points we have to apply. बहुत simple है. There is one electrician. He has 3 capacitors. Each value of capacitor is 1 microfarad. In how many possible ways you want to connect it? There are four possible ways are there. Which are four possible ways? First, all the capacitors are in series. Second one, all the capacitors in parallel. And third one, two capacitors are in parallel, one is in series. And fourth one, two are in series, one in parallel. In this way, we have how many possible ways? Four possible ways. Four possible ways means, in first possible way, we have one effective capacitance. In second possible way, we have another effective capacitance. In third, we have another. In fourth also, we have another effective capacitance. In this way, how many effective capacitances we are getting? Different combination, different effective capacitance. We have, here we may construct. हम कंस्ट्रक्ट करना चाह रहे हैं, फोर पॉसिबल वेज है, फोर इफेक्टिव कैपेसिटेंस मिलते हैं. लेट अस सी व्हिच आर दोस. फोर different combinations are possible from three capacitors each of capacitors. एक एक कैपेसिटर का वैल्यू कितना है? How much is each capacitor value? This is n. This is n, and each capacitance value is 1 microfarad. N value is 3. Each capacitance value is 1 microfarad. The different combinations and effective capacitance of each combination are as shown. कौन कौन से combinations है? Let us see, and their respective effective capacitance also we will see. First possible way, all capacitors are in series. पूरे 1 microfarad, 1 microfarad, 1 microfarad. Overall we have how many? 3. All three capacitors we are connecting in series. Then what is the formula? When n number of capacitors are in series, आपको हम note point में दिए हुए point. When n number of identical capacitors are in series, what is the formula for? What is the formula for effective capacitance in series? CS is equal to C by n. ये formula में दिया था. ये फॉर्मूला में दिया ऐसा था, when n number of capacitors are in series, when n number of capacitors are in series, when n number of capacitors are in series, each of capacitance C value, what is effective capacitance? CS is equal to C by n. How much is n? Number of capacitors 3. एक एक का वैल्यू कितना है? 1 microfarad. Then what is the answer? Answer is very simple. CS is equal to C by n. C वैल्यू कितना है? 1. n वैल्यू कितना है? 3. 1 by 3 microfarad. How much is effective answer? 1 by 3 microfarad. Okay, the first one is very simple. 1 by 3 microfarad is nothing but 0.33 microfarad. Now second possible way, all capacitors are in parallel. All capacitors are in parallel. Okay, see, all capacitors in parallel. N value 3, C value 1. पहले सीरीज थे, अब क्या है? पैरेलल. पैरेलल. व्हाट इज द फार्मूला फॉर n नंबर ऑफ कैपेसिटर्स आर कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन? हम पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन डेरिवेशन होने के बाद ये नोट पॉइंट दिए सो है, व्हेन n नंबर ऑफ आइडेंटिकल बोले तो सेम कैपेसिटर्स, व्हेन n नंबर ऑफ आइडेंटिकल कैपेसिटर्स आर कनेक्टेड इन पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन, द इफेक्टिव कैपेसिटेंस इज Cp इज इक्वल टू Nc. ये फार्मूला दिए सो है. और एक बार मैं रिपीट कर रहा हूं, व्हेन n नंबर ऑफ कैपेसिटर्स each of capacitance C are connected in parallel, the effective capacitance is Cp is equal to Nc. Here n value is how much? 3. C value is 1, and hence the answer is 3 microfarad. First में 0.33 microfarad आते हैं. First possible way 0.33 microfarad. Second possible way 3 microfarad. Okay, this is second possible way. Next we will go with the थर्ड पॉसिबल वे, वन कैपेसिटर इन सीरीज विद द पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ अदर टू. ये सीरीज में है, ये पैरेलल. दो कैपेसिटर्स कैसे है? सीरीज में है. थर्ड वन क्या है? सीरीज पैरेलल में. फर्स्ट टू कैपेसिटर्स आर इन पैरेलल एंड थर्ड वाज इन सीरीज. सी, वन कैपेसिटर इन सीरीज विद द parallel combination of other two capacitors. These two capacitors are in parallel with series of third one. दो capacitors parallel में किसके साथ? Series 1 microfarad series के साथ. Okay, this capacitor of 1 microfarad is in series with 1 microfarad is in series with parallel combination of 1 microfarad and 1 microfarad. यहाँ पे बोलने का मतलब क्या है? 1 microfarad capacitor is in series, end to end है ना, in series with the, in series 1 microfarad capacitor is in series with the parallel combination of 1 microfarad 1 microfarad. From first हम इसका effective capacitance find out करना. कैसा रहते? Cp is equal to, आइडेंटिकल है यहाँ पे, n वैल्यू कितना है? Cp is equal to 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 means 2 microfarad. ये इसका पूरा effective capacitance value कितना हुआ? 2 microfarad. This 2 microfarad and 1 microfarad are in series. Here 2 microfarad and 1 microfarad are in series. Therefore, effective capacitance is C is equal to, कौन है सीरीज में, 2 microfarad or 1 microfarad. How we got 2 microfarad? This 1 microfarad, 1 microfarad are in parallel. इन मिला के, दोनों मिला के कितना हुआ, 2 microfarad. This 2 microfarad is in series with 1 microfarad. Effective capacitance is, ये सीरीज है, देखो सीरीज, C is equal to 2 into 1 divided by 2 plus 1. What is the formula? CS is equal to C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2. CS is equal to C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2. यहाँ पे C1 बोले तो कौन है, 2 माइक्रोफैरड है. C1 बोले तो ये C1 हुआ और ये C2 हुआ. C2 बोले तो कौन है, 1 माइक्रोफैरड. Now we have 2 by 3. Therefore, C is equal to 2 by 3 microfarad. This is another value. Now, you go to fourth way. You see fourth one. What is fourth one? Two capacitors in series and third is in parallel with them. पहले दो पैरेलल थे, एक के साथ सीरीज. अब वो रिवर्स में जाएंगे. Two are in parallel, two are in series with the third one parallel. पहले दो पैरेलल थे, एक सीरीज में था. अब 2 are in series and 1 is in parallel. These two, 1 microfarad are in series with the each other. 1 microfarad, they are series with each other. The effective combination is in parallel with 1 microfarad. See, once again what I want to say, 2 capacitors in series and third in parallel with them. First, these two capacitors, 1 microfarad, they are in series. The effective combination, ये दोनों मिला के जो effective combination आता, that effective capacitance is in parallel with 1 microfarad. What I want to say, this 1 microfarad, they are in series. The effective combination of this 1 microfarad is in parallel with 1 microfarad. दो सीरीज में है, जो भी इफेक्टिव कैपेसिटेंस रहता वो किसके साथ पैरेलल में, 1 माइक्रोफैरड. तो यहां पे क्या आता, CS, ओके, CS इज इक्वल टू, लिसन केयरफुली, वेरी सिंपल थिंग, ओके. Say two capacitors in series, therefore CS is equal to how much, 1 microfarad, 1 by CS is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1. Therefore 1 by CS is equal to, this is 1, this is how much, 1 plus 1, 2. Therefore, CS is equal to 1 by 2. CS is equal to how much? 1 by 2 microfarad. CS is equal to how much? 1 by 2 microfarad. Very simple. 1 by CS. This 1 microfarad are in series. यहाँ पे कौन सीरीज में है? 1 microfarad are in series. Therefore, 1 by CS is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1. What is the basic formula? आपको मालूम है 1 by CS is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. 1 by CS is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1. 1 by CS is equal to 1 by 1. LCM is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 by CS is equal to 2 by 1 or CS by 1 is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by CS is equal to 2 by 1 है. What is the reciprocal? CS by 1 is equal to 1 by 2 microfarad. ये दोनों मिला के कितना हुआ वैल्यू? 1 by 2 microfarad. This 1 by 2 microfarad is in parallel with 1 microfarad. This 1 by 2 microfarad is in parallel with 1 microfarad. Okay, listen carefully. This 1 by 2 microfarad is in parallel with 1 microfarad. Therefore, effective capacitance, यहाँ पे एक सेंटेंस भी लिख सकते हैं, क्या बोल के, 1 by 2 microfarad is in parallel. 1 by 2 microfarad is in parallel with 1 माइक्रोफैरड। यहां पे क्या है 1/2 माइक्रोफैरड, 1/2 माइक्रोफैरड इज इन पैरेलल विथ 1 माइक्रोफैरड। देयरफॉर इफेक्टिव कैपेसिटेंस is how much? Effective capacitance is C is equal to, what is the basic formula? Cp is equal to C1 plus C2। यहां पे C1 कौन होते? This is C1 and this is C2। okay, this is C1। C is equal to C1 is how much? 1/2 plus how much is C2? 1। therefore C is equal to 1 plus 2 divided by, is it 3/2? 3/2 microfarad। therefore C is equal to 3/2 microfarad। this much is answer। see it carefully। C is equal to 3/2 microfarad। how much is answer? C is equal to 3/2। what is the basic formula for Cp is equal to C1 plus C2? C1 वैल्यू कितना है 1/2। ओके, C2 वैल्यू कितना है 1। Cp वैल्यू क्या है C। Cp is a C, C1 is 1/2, C2 is 1, therefore C is equal to 1/2 plus 1, is it 3/2 microfarad? So overall how many ways you are seeing? 4 ways you are seeing। see here the first way, how many different combinations are possible from 3 capacitors of 1 microfarad each? Calculate the capacitance in each case। there are 4 different combinations are possible from 3 capacitors, each of capacitance 1 microfarad। how many possibilities? 4 possibilities। आपको मालूम है, first possibility series, second possibility parallel, third possibility 2 are in parallel with third one series, and fourth possibility 2 are in series with third one is parallel। in this way we have how many possibilities? 4 possibilities, 4 different effective capacitors we are getting। all are in series, what is the answer? Cs is equal to C by N। this is n number of identical capacitors connected in series, you are getting 0.33 microfarad। all capacitors are in parallel, n number of capacitors are connected in parallel, Cp is equal to Nc, this is 3 microfarad। now third possibility, one capacitor is in series, the parallel combination of other 2 capacitors। ये third one series में है, किसके साथ? parallel combination of 1 microfarad and 1 microfarad। here 2 capacitors are in parallel, one is in series। okay, and what is effective capacitance? answer 2/3 microfarad। now fourth possibility, 2 are in series and third one is in parallel। इनका effective capacitance C1 and C2, these 2 are in series, the effective capacitance is once again parallel with 1 microfarad। these 2 are in series, the effective capacitance is once again parallel with 1 microfarad। तो आंसर यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? पहले दोनों सीरीज में करे तो 1/2। ये 1/2 माइक्रोफैरड किसके साथ इसमें है? पैरेलल में है, 1 माइक्रोफैरड के साथ पैरेलल में है। 1/2 प्लस 1, फाइनल आंसर इज 3/2 माइक्रोफैरड। ओके, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, 3/2 माइक्रोफैरड। ओके, एंड यहाँ पे Cp इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस 1, आपको आंसर मालूम होना चाहिए। Cp इज इक्वल टू C1 प्लस C2। हाउ मच इज C1? यहाँ पे C1 बोले तो 1 माइक्रोफैरड, C2 बोले तो 1 माइक्रोफैरड। व्हाट इज ओरिजिनल फार्मूला? Cp is equal to C1 plus C2, 1 plus 1, 2 microfarad। this 2 microfarad is in series with 1 microfarad। what is formula? Cs is equal to C1 C2 divided by C1 plus C2। ये C1 बोले तो 2 है, ये 1 है, 2 into 1 divided by 2 plus 1, 2/3 microfarad। फाइनल आंसर ये भी सेम है। these 2 are in series, what is effective capacitance? 1 microfarad, 1 microfarad are in series, what is effective capacitance? 1/2 microfarad। this 1/2 microfarad, ये दोनों मिलके 1/2 माइक्रोफैरड is in parallel with 1 माइक्रोफैरड। 1/2 माइक्रोफैरड is in parallel with 1 माइक्रोफैरड। therefore effective capacitance is C is equal to 1/2 plus 1। वही फार्मूला है। Cp is equal to C1 plus C2। Cp is equal to C1 plus C2। C1 वैल्यू कितना है? 1/2। C2 वैल्यू 1 है। 1/2 plus 1, 3/2 माइक्रोफैरड is the final answer। okay, practice yourself carefully। practice yourself। this is 2/3 microfarad, this is 3/2 microfarad। okay, practice very carefully। diagrams are necessary, they will not give diagrams, we have to draw the diagrams। they will not give the diagrams, we have to draw it। वो diagram नहीं देते, हम ही draw करना। they will not give the diagrams, we have to draw the diagrams। okay, thank you, see it।